Okay, here's number 2 from the notes page from today. Here's your system. Rewrite the system so the variables are lined up. X, Y, we don't need to do that. Determine which variable you are going to eliminate. So I have, both of those are 4s. I have a negative 3y and a positive 3y, 29 and 35. Now, if I choose the 4s, when I add those, that's going to be 8. But if I subtract, 4 minus 4 is 0. Those will eliminate. But I prefer to add. So I'm going to choose to do my y's. I'm going to eliminate y this time. Why? Because when I add those, guess what? The y's are going to cancel. So multiply if necessary to make elimination possible. Well, I don't have to multiply it this time because those are opposites. Watch, I'm going to jump down to this box. Add 4 plus 4, negative 3 plus 3 eliminates. 29 plus 35 is 64. So you have 8x equals 64. X equals 8. Final step, substitute and solve for the eliminated variable. You can choose either equation. What do y'all think? I think I'm going to do the second one again because it's got all positives. I kind of like all positives. I feel like I make less mistakes. We have x here. So I substituted 8 in for x, 4 times 8. Minus 32 from both sides. This is algebra 1. 35 minus 32 is 3. Divide by 3. Y equals 1. So your solution is 8, 1. Your x and your y. It doesn't hurt to check, so I'm going to check. 8, 1 is my solution. So let's see. Is 4 times 8 minus 3 times 1 equal to 29. 4 times 8, that's 32. Is 32 minus 3 equal to 29? Yes, it is. Let's do the second one. Is 4 times 8 plus 3 times 1 equal to 35? 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 3 is indeed 35. Bam! It is the right solution. So your answer is 8, 1. Okay, this video is only 3 minutes long, so let's do another one. Okay, here's number 3. We have 3x plus 5y equals 27. We have 4x plus 10y equals negative 46. 3, 4, 5, 10. We need to ask ourselves, I'm jumping ahead. Rewrite the system so the variables are lined up. Guess what? These are all lined up again. We don't need to do anything here. Determine which variable you are going to eliminate. 3 to 4. Is there anything I can multiply 3 by to give me 4? And vice versa? No, there is not. 5 and 10. Is there anything I can multiply 5 by to give me 10? Yes, 2. So I'm going to eliminate y. So I'm going to multiply top equation by negative 2. And I'm going to do negative 2 because I want them to be opposites. I like to add my equations together. You can just do positive 2 and these will still be the same sign and you'll subtract. It is the same thing. I just love to add. I find I make less mistakes when I add. So I will get opposites here and add. So this time we're multiplying the top equation So the top equation is going to get multiplied by negative 2. Negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 5. Negative 2 times negative 27 will be positive 54. There you go. Now you have a positive 10y, a negative 10y. Those will eliminate. We're now going to combine them. Add them. All right, negative 6 plus 4. Negative 10 plus 10 cancels out. 54 plus negative 46. I think that's 8. It is 8. Positive 8. Divide by negative 2. X equals negative 4. All right, on this one, just for the heck of it, I'm going to show you. If I would have multiplied this by a positive 2, I would have gotten 6x plus 10y equals negative 54. So what I did was I distributed by a negative 54. By no means do you need to do this. I'm just showing you. You get the same answer whether you add or subtract. All right, these are the same sign. So instead of adding, you're going to have to subtract this time. 6 minus 4. 10 minus negative 10. That still eliminates. Negative 54 minus negative 46 is going to give you a negative 8. Do you see how the signs are just reversed? So when you divide by 2, x still equals a negative 4. So it doesn't matter. I am just more comfortable with adding. So the way I take care of that is I make sure there is opposite signs on one of my variables. But if you don't want to do that, you are more than welcome to subtract. Step, we're going to substitute and solve for the eliminated variable. They both had negatives this time. I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and go with the top one. So 3x plus 5y equals negative 27. So that's 3 times negative 4 plus 5y equals negative 27. Negative 12 plus 5y equals negative 27. Add 12 to both sides. 5y equals negative 15. Y is negative 3. So let me show you, if I would have chosen the other equation, would I have gotten the same answer? 4x plus 10y equals negative 46. Let's put our negative 4 in. 4 times negative 4 equals negative 46. That's negative 16. Add 16 to both sides because it's a negative. How do you get rid of a negative? Do the opposite. So negative 46 plus 16 is negative 30. Divide by 10. Guess what? Negative 30 divided by 10 is negative 3. You've got the same answer. So it doesn't matter if you substitute it back into the first or the second equation. I'm not going to go ahead and check this one because if I had made a mistake, I would not have ended up with the same number twice. So I'm pretty sure my answer is correct on this one. So your solution, remember your solution is always an ordered pair, it is a point, is negative 4, negative 3. I talked kind of fast, but always remember you can pause these videos and rewatch and rewind if you miss something.